Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is such a critical part of email security that every business that uses Microsoft's 365 email or even Google email should have it enabled. MFA is a free utility that's very simple to set up and even easier to use. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get it configured. All you need is your computer and your smartphone, so let's get started. I'm Jason from Jasco Technology. We provide small to medium-sized businesses with outstanding IT management and support services. To set up MFA, all you need is your computer, so hopefully you're in front of it, and your mobile phone. Now on your computer, you're going to want to go to office.com and log into your 365 account using your credentials, your email address, and your password. In the upper right-hand corner, you're going to want to click on your initials, is what it's probably going to look like, and then you're going to want to click View Account. After this loads, you're going to want to, on the left-hand side, click on Security Info. Then you're going to want to, under Security Info, you're going to want to click on the Add Method button. And this is going to pop up a screen, and it's going to give you a couple of different options. And we're going to want to select Authenticator App and then click Add. Then you're going to also want to make sure that your phone is open and in front of you, because you're going to be going back and forth a little bit. And I'll show you what the steps look like, and I'll also share my phone on the screen here. You're going to want to make sure that you already have the app downloaded on your phone, and then you click the Next button. Okay, so this screen's telling you that on the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile phone, you're going to want to have that open, and then you're going to click the Add Account button on there. And then if you're prompted, you're going to want to select a work or school account, not a personal account. Then you click Next on the screen. On your phone, it should give you two options, and one of those options should be scan a QR code. You're going to want to select that. Then you're going to take your phone and you're going to scan the QR code that's on the screen. And then on your computer, you're going to want to select Next. So what's going to happen is the Microsoft Authenticator is going to send your phone an approved sign-in message, and you're going to want to click the Approve button. And then as you can see on your computer, it's going to say Notification Approved. That means that everything is synced up, and the Authenticator app is now configured with your account and it's working properly. So then you click the Next button. And then you see the little message here. It says Microsoft Authenticator app was successfully configured. Now, one last thing you're going to want to look at is under the default sign-in method. What I want to do is I want to click the Change button, and then I want to make the Microsoft Authenticator notification the default method, and then click Confirm. Okay, MFA is all set up. You're ready to go. When you log in for the first time from a computer, it will ask you to authenticate through the Authenticator app, but it remembers you after you've authenticated, so you don't have to do that every single time you sign in, and you only have to do it when you log in from new computers. Well, I hope you found this video very helpful. If you liked it, go ahead and click the thumbs up. If you'd like to get more information about business security, IT, and other tips and tricks to really help your business bring their IT to the next level, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. We release videos very frequently that will definitely help your business. If you have any problems when you're setting up FMA, be sure to leave a comment below. We'll get back to you just as soon as we can. Thanks so much for watching. At the end of this video, I'll leave our contact information if you want to discuss your business IT with us further. Thanks.
We provide IT services for many companies in the Valley, ranging from a single doctor's office to multiple location gaming bars.
And we even have an airline in McCarran Airport that we provide IT services to.
Right, so give us a call and see if our IT services are a great fit for your business.
Yeah, and I mean, it's super simple to get a hold of us.
You can text us, you can call us, you can email us, smoke signals.
Carrier pigeons.
They work sometimes.
Yeah, it depends on the pigeon.
That it does. But to find out if our services are great for your business, it's very simple. We'll have a 15-minute chat. We'll talk about your business, how your business utilizes IT, and then we'll let you know if our services are a great fit.